Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today we're examining the Rolling Stool Heavy Duty 400-pound, a versatile seating solution designed for professionals in salons, medical facilities, spas, and more. Product overview. The Rolling Stool Heavy Duty 400-pound boasts a polyurethane leather seat cushion that's both waterproof and durable, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. The thick, high-density memory foam padding enhances comfort, making it suitable for extended use. With a height range of 19.7 inches to 25.3 inches, the stool offers 360 degrees height adjustability, accommodating various work environments. Its sturdy metal base supports up to 400 pounds, providing stability and durability. The stool features quiet rubber wheels that swivel 360 degrees, allowing smooth movement across different floor types. Usage experience. Setting up the stool is straightforward, taking less than 3 minutes. The assembly involves attaching the air rod to the base, inserting the base into the wheels, and placing the cushion onto the air rod. Once assembled, the stool is ready for use. The seat is comfortable, and the height adjustability is convenient for various tasks. Performance. In real-world scenarios, the stool performs admirably. The 360-degree swivel and height adjustability make it versatile for tasks requiring mobility and flexibility. The sturdy construction ensures stability even during extended use. The quiet wheels glide smoothly, enhancing the overall user experience. Pros and cons. Pros: comfortable high-density memory foam seat, 360-degree swivel and height adjustability, sturdy metal base supporting up to 400 pounds, quiet, smooth rolling rubber wheels, easy assembly. Cons: some users have reported rusting issues if exposed to moisture. Citurn Search 2. Comparisons. Compared to similar stools on the market, the Rolling Stool Heavy Duty 400-pound stands out with its high weight capacity and comfortable seating. While some alternatives may offer similar features, this stool's combination of durability, comfort, and adjustability makes it a strong contender. Value for money. Priced competitively, this stool offers excellent value. Its quality construction, comfort, and functionality justify the investment, especially for professionals requiring reliable seating. Build quality. The stool is well constructed with a sturdy metal base and durable polyurethane leather seat. The materials used contribute to its overall durability and longevity. User-friendliness. The stool is user-friendly, with intuitive height adjustability and a comfortable seat. The smooth rolling wheels and 360-degree swivel enhance its usability in various settings. Customer support. While specific customer support experiences are limited, the product's design and quality suggest a focus on user satisfaction. Real-world testing. In a salon setting, the stool's comfort and adjustability were beneficial during long hours of use. The sturdy construction provided confidence, and the quiet wheels allowed for discreet movement. Updates. As of now, there are no significant updates or changes to the product. Final verdict. The Rolling Stool Heavy Duty 400-pound is a reliable and comfortable seating option for professionals. Its combination of durability, comfort, and adjustability makes it a worthwhile investment. Target audience. This stool is ideal for professionals in salons, medical facilities, spas, and other settings requiring durable and comfortable seating. Longevity. The stool's quality materials and construction suggest it will withstand regular use over time. Alternative options. If you're considering other options, stools like the Torin 400 pounds rolling mechanic creeper seat offer similar might be worth exploring. Citurn Search 6ing. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content or allow others to find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.